Everything is green. Spring has definitely sprung. It's funny, it seems like it happens overnight. Good morning, everybody. Fat Bastard here. Somebody asked me recently what the focus of my channel is. Is it a fitness channel? Is it a mountain biking channel? You know, I think I'm trying to kind of blur the lines between the two, to be honest with you. So my goal here is to get fit. And my main tool to do that is mountain biking. I'm just trying to share a passion that I have for mountain biking with you, and hopefully inspire you to do something active, even if it's not mountain biking. You know, there's a number of things that you can go outside and do. Get outside and enjoy nature. Go on a hike or whatever. But my main goal is to help inspire others like me that are in the same situation. They've struggled with their weight their whole life and they want to do something about it. And maybe they don't quite have the courage to get started, or maybe it seems overwhelming to them to get started. Like the mountain that they need to climb is just, it's impossible. I've been there. I know exactly how it feels to feel hopeless. At some point you wonder if this is what your life is gonna look like forever. And then you start realizing your own mortality. I'm here to tell you that it's not impossible. You can do it. You just have to take the first step. No matter how small that step is, get started doing something and you'll surprise yourself how quickly you get in the groove of exercising and getting in better shape. You really will. So this morning we're gonna go on a ride on a trail that just reopened. It's been closed for months. I'm really stoked that it's reopened, and we're gonna go check it out and see how what kind of condition it's in. Let's get geared up and let's go. What's up, everybody? I'm out here at Knob Hills Trail. This trail just reopened after being closed for months after all the rain. So I'm pretty pumped about coming out here and getting a little pre-work lap in. Now I'm not going to be able to ride the whole trail this morning. Man, it's an awesome way to start the day with a little pre-work mountain bike action. Now, it's been a long time since I've been out here. I know there's a lot of people that are really excited about this trail being open again. The Trail Steward and crews have been working their butts off to get this thing rideable again. Getting this thing back to rideable condition was no small feat. So the steward and the trail crews deserve a lot of credit for that. This trail is part of DORBA, which is Dallas Off-Road Bicycle Association. Fantastic organization. They manage a lot of the Dallas-Fort Worth trails that I enjoy, and I really need to do a better job of being involved in maintenance. These trails don't maintain themselves, so those little rollers, when I first came out here, used to freak me out. No, it's no big deal.
Hope to get 6 or 7 miles in today, and then maybe come back on the weekend, ride the whole thing. 6 or 7 miles makes for a good pre-work workout. Get the heart rate up, burn some calories, kickstart that metabolism for the day. So I'm getting really close to my weight being in the 200s for the first time in a really long time. I'm really excited about hitting that milestone. Now I still have a long ways to go. One workout at a time, one ride at a time. That's all you can do. Find something that you enjoy doing. If it's not mountain biking, find something. Just get out and get active. If you enjoy doing it, you'll want to go do it a lot. And that's the key. So I'm right at 3 miles into the trail. I need to check the time, see where we're at. So I'm gonna go down here, take the next bypass to head back. I'm not sure how far down it is. We'll see. Pretty morning. Like that. Another section that I used to walk. I hear geese. Lots of wildlife out here. You know, this place sat relatively undisturbed for months. Well, with the exception of the rogue hikers and riders that you see rut evidence from. Everything is green. Spring has definitely sprung. It's funny, it seems like it happens overnight. Everything is all brown and the trees are all bare, and then one day you wake up and everything is green and the trees are full of leaves. I'm sure it doesn't happen overnight, but sure seems like that's what happens. Yeah, it's pretty cool to see. walk of shame up Goat Killer. Oh, these ruts. These ruts don't happen from riding the trail when it's dry. Look at that. I don't hear any air running or rushing out of my tires, so I guess that's all right.
All right, guys, that's a little bit of Knob Hills Trail in Roanoke. I'm really pumped about that trail opening back up. I had forgotten how fun that trail is, to be honest with you. I mean, that trail has got some really fun sections. Roller coaster rollers, some punchy climbs, some fun descents. One climb that is nearly impossible called Goat Killer. One day I'll get it. Yeah, so I can't wait to come back out here and ride the whole trail. I rode about half the trail, really. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos of me trying to get more fit. I'm here to help you, so we're in this together. Get out and do something active today. Doesn't matter what it is, just get moving. Play some basketball, take your dog on a walk. Go for a walk around the block. Ride your bicycle around your neighborhood. Whatever it is, just get outside and do something active. There's no time like today to get started. Thank you and have a great day.